grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now today, we are back for another daily market update. Today we have some extreme FUD or reality. It's either a real thing or it's FUD happening with one of the biggest exchanges that you guys probably have a lot of money on. So we're going to cover that in this video. That's a massive thing that we definitely need to cover. We've got some XRP stuff, some very bullish XRP stuff, all the coins we love. We're going to cover Bitcoin, ETH, everything. Before we do, though, make sure you drop a like and comment. I'm giving away $25 of any crypto that you choose to somebody who likes and comments on this video. But that is all. Let's get into the daily market update now. All right, so hopping into the first thing we have is a reminder to sign up for Binance. If you're in Canada, you can still even get XRP on Binance. So you can sign up for Binance. If you're in anywhere else in the globe, sign up for Binance.com. Link is in my description. If you're in the US, you can sign up for Binance US using the link in my description. Binance is an official partner of this channel, so massive shout out to them. That's actually a big moment for me as well, for getting partnered with Binance after using them for years. I've been using Binance for years. Now, make sure you also follow me on Twitter, and let's hop straight into the market update. We are above 1 trillion, but if we look at the total crypto market cap right here on the 4-hour, or actually right now as well, we are dipping below that 1 trillion. Like, we're really trying to fight that $1 trillion level. Once again, the way I like to look at the total market cap is on the 12-hour chart with Heikin Ashi candles. If you guys don't know, this is how you can change your candlesticks to Heikin Ashi right there. And then I like to look at it with Market Cipher B. Or sorry, is that Market Cipher B or Market Cipher A? Which is right there with all the EMA bands as well as the bullish continuation diamonds and all of that. Okay, that's how I like to look at it. I think this just gives like the best type of view. The 12-hour, so you get 2 data points per day, and then you get the Heikin Ashi candles. So right now you can see like the box that I drew from basically 1 trillion down to like 800 billion. We are above that box right now, or we're battling with that box right now. Technically, there's a lot of billions in a trillion, so that is why this box should actually be moved up a little bit. Even like we could even move that up, but all I care about is once we get past this will be resistance right here, 1.2 trillion, and then we've got a lot of resistance on the way back up. And we can't even hold 1 trillion right now. Or we're struggling a little bit to hold 1 trillion. Volume is 66 billion today. We've got Bitcoin at 22,000. So as you can see, that reversal, I mean, is that playing out or is it not? Okay. Is that playing out or is it not? That daily reversal candle, right? Or the daily reversal symbol right there. We're coming back down. We're coming back down. Don't be surprised if we end up at 20,000 in a couple days here. Don't be surprised. Like, this is what this thing has been doing for a very long time, right? Since June 19, we've been just doing the exact same pattern. It's this snake pattern. Now, I do like how the snake is getting bigger. Like, we went down, up, right? The snake's getting bigger, so we can maybe do something like that. That would be amazing, but I'm not saying that's going to happen. Right now, Bitcoin is extremely boring. Moving on. Oh, this is what the altcoins are looking like. Not too much green today at all. CRO is dumping. We've got some bad CRO news today. They just keep slipping up. It's like they wanted to just dump all the bad news on us over the past few months here. Like, they changed their cards again. We're going to talk about it nearing the end of this video, actually. That's what the altcoins are looking like. Now, a little bit on Bitcoin right here. Meltem Demirors tweets out this tweet from Elon on January, February, March, April, May. Yeah, that's May. I'm tired, folks. Sorry. May 19, 2021. Tesla has diamond hands. Okay. Come on, bro. Tesla has diamond hands. We covered it yesterday. Tesla sold 900 million of Bitcoin, right? They cashed out over 900 million into cash. We covered this before. So they were one of the biggest sellers, dumpers of Bitcoin. Um, Come on, bro. Like, that is horrible. And I think maybe he's like, yo, these are emojis, like, to the regulators, because this is like clear manipulation, to be honest. Like, that tweet is like convincing everybody that Tesla is going to be in Bitcoin for a very long time, and that probably influenced a ton of people to buy. Just imagine, just try to think of somebody who was like into stocks, and then they see Elon. Oh, Elon's company is buying Bitcoin, and they have diamond hands, like they plan to hold it for a long time. And then that probably made a lot of people buy, dude. Horrible, horrible, horrible manipulation right there. We do have this that I wanted to show off. This is a reminder of what Rosie Rios said about XRP. This was on the 26th of September in 2021. Look at these two tweets. XRP's primary purpose is facilitating cross-border payments, while other cryptos find their value in speculation. Fact. And such a concise sentence right there. China's latest move brings this point home. Honored to be a part of the Ripple family. Let the future begin. So, dude, like, come on, bro. And she also had the train left the station the train left the station quote. But this is just so good. She's pointing out how XRP has a primary purpose. It has a real use case. And everything else is just speculation. Yeah, amazing quote there. Now, we do have some little updates. Here's now all the articles are coming out now about these 9 cryptos that were called securities in the insider trading case, right? And this is like causing an uproar. This is causing pretty much an uproar because some of these tokens are absolutely not securities. And we don't want to like propagate this even more of like, it's just so bad, dude. So I wanted to remind you that is what you should be researching and paying attention to. I've been meaning to get some time and actually look into these. So look into how these were launched, right? And what these do. Do these have real use cases? And then because those are the ones they called securities. So you would be able to know what they think of, or you would be able to know what they think is a security. Now, we do have an update on the Ethereum merge. So what this article, what this article says is that Ethereum merge will not change the fees. The fees will not change off the Ethereum merge at all. Okay? Ethereum merge will not change the fees. The move is expected to reduce Ethereum's energy consumption by 99.95%. Now, will this pump Ethereum? I believe it will pump Ethereum or it will pump Ethereum at least a little bit, or it might do the exact opposite. Like it might actually be, I don't know. I don't know how it could be negative for Ethereum to get an upgrade. Plus, I think the institutions will use that as an excuse to dump a lot of money into ETH. So there's that. Then we have, hold on. This was, these are the institutional investors. Sorry, I was reading the wrong article. This is the article that says the fees will not change. Fees are a function of blockchain or block space demand, not consensus mechanism. Rahman further pointed out that the crypto community should not expect structural sell pressure from ETH issuance within 6 to 12 months after the merge. This is because the rewards for staked ETH cannot be withdrawn until the network permits withdrawals, which would not happen immediately. Okay, it will drop the inflation rate from 0.22 or to 0.22 from 4.3. So this merge is a big deal, and that is on the way, dude. On the way. Now we have the Central Bank of Africa. Central African States Bank Board urges adoption of uniform digital currency. So they're actually encouraging the use of Bitcoin here, but then they also mention African countries making CBDC moves. And then they point out the e-Naira, and the e-Naira is Nigeria's stablecoin, and apparently it's getting laughable adoption. The adoption is not that big, and the banks are losing money actually using CBDCs, and that's what we want. I want CBDCs to fail, right? The only reason I cover CBDCs is because Ripple is involved, and if Ripple lands like a massive percentage of running a massive percentage of the CBDCs in the world, they will be successful, and in turn, that will help my investment, and that's what I care about. The investment. I don't care about CBDCs. I have no love for CBDCs in my bones. So there's a CBDC update right there. We also have some ETHJets news. A reminder to go and mint an ETHJets NFT on mint.ethjets.io, and you have a chance to win a Top Gun pass if you are holding a global membership and a captain membership. So you have to hold both, and you will get a chance to win a Top Gun pass. Also, you get access to mint a Top Gun. Global plus captain plus Top Gun equals one free empty leg per year with our third aircraft. Amazing. So moving on, we have this little thing from Yasin. He says, it's clear to me that the SEC cares more about delaying the outcome of the Ripple case than the outcome itself. That's why they're attacking crypto on multiple fronts: Library, Coinbase, other tokens. They don't want a loss against Ripple before they can score a win somewhere else. I think this is extremely accurate, right? That makes sense. If they lost against Ripple, all other crypto companies would feel way more confident going up against the SEC. And I mean, if they win, or if they lose, a lot of the other coins will just stay how they are. They won't change for the SEC because they know they can win if they're set up as decentralized or centralized as Ripple is, or sorry, XRP is. So that's a very good point by him right there. We also have, here's the big FUD. Here's the big FUD, or big reality right here. So basically we have this dude called Otteru, and he made this massive thread. He's saying KuCoin Insider confirms that KuCoin is insolvent. So this is the exchange. It's KuCoin that could be insolvent. This is all alleged stuff. Nothing is confirmed yet. Yeah, but this would be very bad if KuCoin was insolvent. Ex-employee whistleblows that estimated hole up to 500 million. KuCoin may not have the coins to meet depositors' redemptions, and he's 92% certain. This thread is getting a lot of attention right here, okay? They have also forecasted and called Luna, the collapse of Luna, UST, Celsius, CoinFlex, Matrixport, and Who.com. And they're investigating Nexo, Finblocks, and BlockFi. Then they lay out this massive thread, and you guys can read through this. But essentially, KuCoin was the biggest holder of wrapped Luna, as you can see right here. In May 2022, the top holder of W Luna was KuCoin. Okay. So they might have lost over 12 billion right there. If KuCoin had the same amount of W Luna today and pre-crash, it would have lost a market value of 12 billion. Luna market cap pre-crash was 40 billion. And then they go over all of this. Basically, some whistleblower is telling that they don't have the funds to match or pay back their depositors. And then we do have the CEO saying that this FUD has been clarified yesterday. Short translation: KuCoin is saying they had no exposure to Luna or W Luna. Recent fundraising has nothing to do. So this Otteru guy also points out that they raised 10 million only after raising 150 million. So right after, in May, they raised 150 million, and shortly after, on July 2022, KuCoin mysteriously raised 10 million. And they're saying that this guy's saying that those are emergency funds that they're trying to raise quickly. But the CEO is clearing this up, labeling it as FUD and all of this stuff, replying to multiple people saying FUD, 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 FUD. And here's the actual thing on the blog on the KuCoin website. And look at this. Be aware of FUD. New rumors spread by Twitter guy, Otteru. So they're calling him Twitter guy. That's hilarious. Very basically debunking the whole thing right here. Super interesting though. And then also Otteru is coming at Nexo now and saying Nexo starts to block withdrawals of users silently with no official announcement. Multiple users of Nexo have came to Otter to say that they're having withdrawal issues. Now, this is completely alleged, bro. Like, none of this is confirmed, but he is saying that Nexo is blocking some of these withdrawals. Pretty dang insane. And then the last thing we have is crypto.com no longer reimbursing Netflix and Spotify rewards for lower tier card users. So once again, modifying their card system. And this guy makes a good point, right? Bear market, bro, need to be able to adapt. So all these companies are just adapting. And when you go back into the bull market, you get all these benefits again because everyone has money. So that is all we've got for the daily market update today. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. I love every single one of you. And goodbye.